Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another BTC Analyze with the FRENCHYBRO team. Like you all know, we're doing a BTC Analyze twice a week. So make sure you like and subscribe and you follow us on Twitter to don't miss any of our analyze on BTC or the crypto market. So let's quickly jump into the chart. Last time we did a video was I'm pretty sure on Friday, and we were at like 26,800 where the black arrow is on the chart, just over here. And we were expecting another retracement down. Why? Because we explained into our last video, so make sure you watch it because we're not going to go over everything again. So make sure you go and watch it. But as you know, we're still in this H4 channel. We've been in this channel for like several weeks. You can see the green line on the chart just here, and on the bottom just over here. And we were at the time of the video, we were at the low of the channel, as you can see on the blue line. So we were ranging at the low of the channel just here, and ranging. As you can see, we had a small deviation, breakdown, retest, and a perfect drop down. So this is actually a beautiful PA, guys. You can't expect better can't expect better, but the drop went quite sharp and fast straight away down. People will say it's because of the FUD and everything. The chart is always telling you everything, guys. So just only trust the chart. Look at what the price is giving you. Yeah. So at the last video, we're expecting a drop down, and we're gonna go through our XRP trade later in the video. So make sure you stay with us and you watch until the end, because the XRP trade reached most of our targets. So we're just gonna go through again, and this is good to see as well. So stay with us. We're gonna explain to you after. So as you can see, we had a beautiful drop of BTC of 25,200, something like that, around this area. And we explained to you, we gave you the area of interest last time. This was our first area of interest, I think 25,700, yeah, approximately. Yeah, just around here. This was the whole area of interest before where we could expect the price to slow down or just have some reaction. Which it did. We didn't trigger anything yet. Why? Because as you know, we are in a downtrend. We explained to you the previous video. We are in a downtrend. We need to see what the price action is doing. It's still really early to trigger any long. So we prefer to be safe before we enter any trade, especially in this area. As you can see, the price is ranging and is going into ascending channel at the moment. But look at that price. You know how this price works. You know, when it's slowing, like when it stairs up like that, a small stairs up like that, we can expect a nice elevator down. So at the moment, we are looking our next area of interest, which Sedo is going to explain to you. But before we trigger anything, we want this price to go there and to see where we can do. But for now, we are looking for shorts. Am I wrong, Sedos? What do you reckon about the price action right now?
Definitely, you said it perfectly right. So yeah, it just, you can see it's just it's been just chopping up since many of that. So we can, there's not much see go up, straight up, back down, straight up. I mean, you could try to trade it if you want, but the risk reward is not that worth it. What we really want to have, as we always say, is like a high probability setup. So the trades which give you most of the rewards, and can where as well can be almost sure to win. Never sure, obviously, but if you wait for the right confirmation, you got more probability of winning. So as you said, right now waiting, playing onto the next area of interest, which is the low of the range, the blue channel you can see. So from 26,500 to 26,400, sorry. So you got a nice confluence with the range low. That's your previous as well value area low of the all range. You can see that's the top of the range is there. Low of the range, that's your value area low. So nice confluence. You got as well a nice H4 order block. So that's why we want to see, obviously, never sure, but we want to see a reaction. If there is any type of bearish retest, sign of weakness, then we trigger a short back down at least to that low of the ascending channel, and if it breaks down towards our next area of interest, to look for long. So starting from 25,200 to 24,300 to keep an eye on. So that's if it does all the way through breaks down, that would be great. Obviously, that's what we want, like a nice long trade, but you want to keep an eye on those low because he hasn't been taken yet. So here you see,
nice liquidity there.
So the price will go at least here if there is any type of swing failure pattern. That's why we want to trigger along. So swing failure pattern release if the candle fell to close below the previous low, so which was that one, sorry, because it's not even taken. That one, so if there is no candle closing below, goes back up. If you're confident with swing failure pattern trading, you could trigger a long back up at least to that bottom of the ascending channel, and again level to level, maybe towards the top of the ascending channel. That would be like the let's say the safest trades. If it keeps going up, that's good, but you never know. So that's if you are looking for a long setup. But as you said, we are in a downtrend on the daily time frame, on the short time frame at 6 is as well. It's as well a downtrend. The only uptrend is the weekly. You can go quickly, but to see. So for you guys to explain how it works, even if you're get rid of this. Even if so you can see your weekly is an uptrend, but then if your daily is bearish, it means it's a pullback. Here's your last swing low. So from there to there, we could have a pullback going
all the way down,
until it goes back up. Or
which is still a big drop with the alt and Bitcoin. So you have to be careful.
It's if you look, that's what I mean. Like if you we took few short, but let's say you would have enter a short here to there, it's 30%. If it goes somewhere, let's say around here, 36%, and from the top to here, like still a 15% drop from 29K. So it's a pretty decent pullback. So this is what you guys need to understand. It's not because the weekly is bullish that you want to look for long. Obviously, it depends on your area, but usually how it works. The smaller time frame, you always does what the higher time frame wants. So if your weekly is doing a pullback, your daily is bearish, you want to look for. So if you are at the area of resistance, you want to look for shorts. Obviously, if you are in your area of support or previous demand zone, then you could look for long. Obviously, right now, as you said, we're preferring to play shorts.
Preferring to play shorts. And like we always say, we wait for now because if you look on Twitter, guys, so many people on my timeline are getting stop out, chop out, and everything. Everywhere you get because they try to long too early, they try to short too early. You can see the candle, the candle, 4-hour candle. You see the nice dark mole candle up and down during the weekend. This will have wrecked most of the traders. So you wait for your area. After a big drop like that, you just wait to reclaim an area before you do anything because you're just gonna get chopped or the drop can continue. So be careful. So
exactly.
So now let's jump into our XRP trade, guys. This was a really nice setup. So jump on it, my man, and show us what we did. And I can show you as well. If you watch the previous video, you will see we were saying the XRP price could drop all the way to 47 cents, and it did. So go for it, Sedos.
Alrighty, so we enter somewhere around here. So the pretty sure that was one of those two candles. I think we are here. Perfectly tagged the area. We got the first drop with a few TP reach, come back for the retest, and the final drop over the weekend where we were expected the monthly support to be tagged. We also said that that could go lower, but right now, so it bounced nicely. See what price is doing back into those areas. Otherwise, it will be the main one just here for a big shot, and that's it. That's so far so good. XRP was nice. We got a nice TP and profit locked in, and you just have to see what's
happening with Bitcoin. So as you can see, Bitcoin is pushing a little bit right now, and like we told you, you got our first area of interest at 26,400, around 26,500. Sorry. So this is our first area of interest. So watch that area, and then trigger anything if you see something good. So otherwise, if we find any trade, we're just gonna put it into our VIP group. As you know, we got a trading group. Otherwise, make sure you like and subscribe our YouTube channel, or you follow us on Twitter, and you will find everything on the market, everything that we see on the market, and all our analyses. So that's it for me, Sedos. Do you have anything to add?
No, that's all. That's all right.
Perfect. So thank you guys, and see you next time.